everyone! Learn how to make a soft, moist, and fluffy banana walnut loaf cake. Banana loaf is one of the classic and easiest all-American comfort food recipe. This recipe is perfect for a weekend baking, and it's a great way to use up overripe bananas. Banana loaf is perfect for breakfast or dessert. You can add nuts or chocolate chips for added flavor. Today, we're using walnuts in this recipe. These are the ingredients: 3 medium overripe bananas, 1½ all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup almond milk or any milk of your choice, ½ cup golden syrup, 1/4 cup extra virgin olive oil, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon ground cinnamon, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, ½ teaspoon salt, 2 eggs, and 1 cup walnuts. Let's get started. Preheat the oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit or 165 degrees Celsius. In a medium bowl, peel 3 bananas. Using a fork, mash the bananas until well blended. Then set aside. In a large bowl, pour the olive oil. Add golden syrup. Stir until well combined. Add 2 eggs, one at a time. Whisk until well combined. And whisk it again. Add 1 teaspoon baking soda, pour 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, add ½ teaspoon salt, add more if you're a cinnamon lover. Mix until well combined. Add the mashed bananas, add 1 1/2 cup flour, and mix until well combined. Finally, add 1 cup of walnuts. I like walnuts, so I added another half cup. Mix until well combined. In a 9 by 5-inch loaf pan, grease the pan with olive oil. Use paper towel to remove the excess oil. Pour the butter into the greased loaf pan. Bake for 55 to 60 minutes. Check the banana loaf from time to time by inserting a toothpick to check the inside of the banana loaf. know when it is ready if the toothpick comes out clean or there are only few crumbs. Remove from oven and let it cool for at least 10 minutes. Carefully transfer the loaf to a wire rack to cool before slicing. And that is my soft, moist, and fluffy banana walnut loaf cake recipe. Serve and enjoy! C6 Straight Travels would like to greet our Filipino friends from Saudi Arabia, Nikki Jan Dangani, Christopher Camacho, Sherwin Alvarez, and Joey Lowe. If you like the recipe, comment down below and be sure to subscribe on our YouTube channel, C6 Straight Travels. Don't forget to hit the bell button to notify you on our future uploads. Follow our social media accounts at C6J Travels. Till our next recipe. Ta!